What if you could add 3 extra hours to your day without working longer? In the next few minutes, I'll show you 5 powerful AI tools that save time in reading, writing, meetings, design, and planning. No hype, no buzzwords, just real productivity gains you'll feel from day one. These tools aren't random. Together they create a complete workflow that replaces dozens of tiny daily tasks. Stick till the end, because the 5th tool connects everything into one smooth system. 1. ChatGPT plus PDF Reader plugin, the 2-minute reading hack. Let's start with the biggest time waster, endless reading. Reports, research papers, or 40-page PDFs, they eat hours every week. Upload your document into ChatGPT with the PDF Reader plugin, then ask it. Summarize this into 7 key insights, 3 actions, and 1 quote worth remembering. You'll get bite-sized summaries you can copy straight into Notion or Google Docs. What used to take half an hour now takes under 2 minutes. It's like having a research assistant that never gets tired. In a second, I'll show you how to clear your entire email inbox in 10 minutes. 2. Shortwave, your smart email assistant. Email overload kills focus. You open Gmail for one message and somehow lose half an hour. That's where Shortwave comes in. It's an AI layer built on top of Gmail. Connect your account, click Summarize, and it condenses long threads into short paragraphs. Then use Smart Reply to generate fast, context-aware responses. You can even ask it. Write a short, polite reply confirming my availability next Tuesday. Your inbox that took 45 minutes now clears in 10. And you didn't even touch your keyboard. Coming up next, a tool that literally attends your meetings and writes the notes for you. 3. Fireflies.ai, your meeting memory. Imagine never taking notes again. Fireflies.ai joins your Zoom or Google Meet calls automatically, records everything, and transcribes it in real time. After the meeting, you can ask, summarize only the decisions made and the action items. Within seconds, you'll have clear bullet points with owners and deadlines. What used to be an hour of talking and another 30 minutes of note-taking becomes a 5-minute summary. You can paste those notes directly into Notion or share them with your team. And since Fireflies timestamps every quote, you'll never wonder who said that. Again, in a moment, let's move from meetings to design and save another hour of your day. 4. Canva Magic Studio, AI designs in minutes. Designing visuals can eat up a shocking amount of time. Thumbnails, presentations, Instagram posts. It never ends. With Canva Magic Studio, all you do is type your idea. YouTube thumbnail, tech theme, purple and peach colors. Magic Studio instantly generates layouts, picks fonts, and balances colors. Then, use Magic Resize to adapt your design for YouTube, TikTok, or Twitter, 1 click. Use Magic Edit to change objects or tweak text without starting over. A design that once took an hour now takes less than 5 minutes, and it looks professional. Stay tuned, because the last tool connects every part of your workflow into one command center. 5. Notion AI, your personal operations hub. The problem with productivity tools is that we end up juggling too many of them, one for notes, one for planning, one for tasks. Notion AI fixes that by bringing everything together. You can type, summarize to turn meeting notes from Fireflies into concise summaries. Use To-Do to automatically create a daily to-do list from your calendar. And if you're feeling overwhelmed, just ask. Prioritize today's tasks by urgency and deadlines. Notion AI reorganizes your day so you can focus on what actually matters. No more switching between 10 different tabs, it's all in one dashboard. Recap. Let's recap. ChatGPT helps you read and summarize faster. Shortwave clears your inbox. Fireflies takes your meeting notes. Canva Magic Studio designs your visuals. And Notion AI keeps your whole day organized. Together, these 5 tools can save you nearly 3 hours every single day. Call to action. All the links are in the description below. Try one today. You'll be amazed how much time you get back. If you found this helpful, subscribe to ToolStack Daily. New videos drop every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, helping you work smarter, not harder. This was ToolStack Daily. See you in the next one.